The 47th participant in the Silva challenge is Grinch Witch. I have a hard time saying that. It's a tongue twister for me. So I usually, when I type messages to her and Santa Slow Dog, I just call her GW. So I may do that during this video. Anyhow, Grinch Witch is the 47th participant in the Silva challenge. I can't believe we're up to 47 already. It's just kind of amazing to me. But let's see what we can send her, just to mess with her. And I think, starting off with, I could be wrong. I think this is an old Batmobile. And it's a McDonald's Hot Wheels. But I think it's, it's like, I don't know. It's based on a really old car. Excuse me. It could just be an old car. I'm not sure why I'm thinking it's a Batmobile. It has that look to me. So that could be fun, just to see her gas land, something like that. Got two of these Hot Wheels dump trucks. They're both, they're virtually identical. I'm only going to send her one. Pound for pound, that's a solid casting. That is all metal. Let me know on the video if it sounds better and if it looks better, because I'm recording it differently and I'm using a different microphone setup. So I'm hoping it's better. This is a Matchbox 2000 Chevy Suburban. That'd be kind of neat. What the heck? Oh, this looks like another McDonald's special. It's a Hot Wheels. I'm guessing this is a surfboard. Oh. Okay, that must be the special feature. Don't ask me. I'm hoping the sound is better too when I do this. That it doesn't kill the audio like it kind of did before, the way I was doing it. Hot Wheels High. It's a bus. Looks like two jet engines on the back. That's pretty cool. You can see the seats through the top. Okay. Let's throw that in there. That could be fun. What is this? This is an old Matchbox super fast crane truck. Obviously the crane is missing. That's not to stop you from putting a gun or something on there. Night Dragon. Okay. Cool wing on the back. One engine's broken, but what'd you expect in the post-apocalyptic world? Eesh, that's an ugly casting. Clear bottom, Mad Splash, Hot Wheels. Ugly clear wheels. Ugly paint. It looks like a speedboat car. Oh, it's supposed to. Mad Splash. Yeah, it took me a minute to get it. These are waves, I guess, on the side. And it is a speedboat. The engine's kind of cool. Okay. Swing shot. That's futuristic. Eugh. Okay. Ugly front end on that. For all I know, the microphone setup is picking up the sound of this even worse. Oh, we'll see. Oh, wow. Maisto Tonka something or other. Emergency. So it's an ambulance. Those wheels are terrible. It's cool that the back flips up, though. I guess you put the patient in the bed and you just close it on them. That's a little harsh. Oh, looks like it took a bird crash to the windshield. Oh, hey, here's something with a ladder. Fire truck. Let's see. Matchbox fire engine, 1982. So at least this has something on it. Look, it moves. Eesh, no. Sure. Kind of a classic old Hot Wheels car. Would look odd in a post-apocalyptic world, but how about an ice cream truck made in China? I don't think I don't think you could get a cheaper casting. The livery's easy to peel off. There are clear labels stuck on the sides, so that would be easy to get rid of. We have room for one more. Oh, let's do this. Diesel Boy. Hot Wheels Diesel Boy. That's actually pretty sharp. And that could look really mean in a post-apocalyptic build. Yeah, let's throw that in. Okay, so I think that's it on the castings. So let's move that to the side. And let's grab parts. Let's see if I can get the lid of this open here. Time to throw some parts in here. Let's see. Gun. Oh. Okay, stay open. I don't want this thing closed on me here. Okay, some guns. More guns. Those are bigger guns. How about smaller guns? And some more smaller guns. And smaller guns. And some tanks. Well, this kind of tanks. Skulls. I'm almost out of skulls. And I'm not resin printing anymore, so if anybody wants to send me some skulls to throw in these, I would truly appreciate it, because I'm officially out of skulls now. Some rams for the front and stuff. Let's switch those out. Throw some of these in. Yeah, so there's a variety of those. Gotta throw my favorite wheels in here. Let's throw a bunch of these in here. Those are the larger ones. So some of the smaller ones. Trying to do a nice round number. Okay. Just body panels, metal panels. I'm not sure what's in this bin. Old model parts, all kinds of, yeah, sorted stuff. Spears. Rockets. More rockets. Some of these wheels. Some of these wheels. Let's figure this out. Okay. Some of these weird square wheel cover things. What else? What else? What else? What else? Those are weird engine parts. I threw some of that stuff in there. Let's throw some more of these weird rammy things in there. I think that's it. Oh, how about some of these oil dropper things? Smoke dropper things. Yeah, I think one of these guns. I think that's it, with the addition of a little green Grinch that I printed. I'm going to somehow, tell you what, I'm putting the little green Grinch in the back of this. I've already broken his feet off twice, so hopefully he survives the trip. And what I'll do is put a piece of tape over it. How about that? So hopefully it's more likely to survive the trip with him back there. So the little green Grinch is going, oh, and naturally I take the tape right off. Okay, that's good. Okay, I'm not quite sure how that's going to work, but how about that? Overkill? In a post-apocalyptic box? Overkill? Overkill's perfect. Let's get this out of the way. So, there you have it. Grinch Witch, this is going to be heading your way. Have fun with it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed watching this go together. Stay safe and healthy out there. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.